spotter arms together is pretty easy. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I think last thing for Terry and I to do is to assemble the bench. Does it have caster wheels?
Yes.
Where are the wheels?
Pinagpakan ako natin.
Do we have one missing? Oh, here. This is it, right?
Nandun na. Okay.
So spotter arms done right here, and we're gonna move on to assembly of the bench right here. And it's going to have to attach to a larger part. So this is the spine of the bench right here. Yeah, spine of the bench, and we're going to have to attach it to this very heavy piece of the rack, which are the step plates for the bench section. Ano natin? Stop video natin and then adjust natin itong